everyone, means this question to everyone. Okay. I am asking ChatGPT, can you tell me my name? It is providing. My name is Devesh Oman. Can someone tell me whether LLMs can remember whatever we are writing? How the things works? Can someone tell me?
So Devish,
Yes,
over the
How
yes,
how
yes.
how LLM know about it means I am Devesh.
I think as per me, as per my knowledge, the LLM will not store this Devish information, the name of that person.
Mm-hmm.
It will there will be a concept of the memory within the context window, I think.
Hmm.
So over the LLM we have the memory, so that memory is giving the name of that person.
Can you tell me what exactly means OpenAI is the API, right?
Mhm,
What is the
mhm.
ChatGPT? Which type of application it is? Can someone tell? Actually, we use daily basis, means we should know about it. ChatGPT is agent.
Right,
How it
right.
is
It's
agent?
agent.
How,
Mhm.
how it is agent? Means we can provide a task to ChatGPT. Can you write one leaf application and create one PDF? Download the PDF. I got a PDF. Can you tell me whether generation of this PDF is done by OpenAI or means how it is? Who created this PDF file? Is OpenAI created this PDF file or means what exactly it is?
I think the agent working over this LLM when the
Correct,
model.
correct, correct.
Yeah.
So whatever the content we have inside the PDF, it is generated by the LLM, and whatever the action it is happening, it is done by agent. Okay, we have to be learned means how we have to be creating agent means using our OpenAI or you can say any programming language. Okay, so this is the intent. So means what I was trying to explain it means first means the memory with this application, the chat applications. Okay, so how we have to be means communicate means the LLMs. So let me tell you, LLM are the stateless. Means every request it is a new for LLM and it does not remember what I am asking. Okay, we have to be let me do one demonstration and then we'll see. Okay, let me do one demonstration and then we'll see. So what I am doing is I am is using the this OpenAI API. Okay, and I use the OpenAI SDK, created a client, okay, passing the model name. And this is a very simple chatbot, means where means I am just keep asking the question until I am typing exit. Okay. So this is a very simple chatbot. Okay. I already explained these things. Let me do this demonstration. Okay. And then we'll see how we have to be use the memories. So now chatbot is open. Okay. Please ask question. Okay. Please ask question means I manually written here. Please ask question. Okay. Now means it is waiting for console.readline. Okay. Can you give uh, can you write 2 lines about India? So now we are making call to the LLM and we are getting the response. The India is a diverse country, the South Asia, and known is for its richest history and something lines. Okay. Now, uh, which is capital? Can you tell me? Sure, the capital of which country or the state you would you like to know? So here means I am asking about the capital and he don't know means which country I am asking. Means it does not remember means I am already asked the question for India. It does not know. Okay. My name is Devesh. Okay, nice meet you, Devesh. Can you tell me who I am? Yet I don't know. Who are you? Okay. He don't know. Because each and every call go to the LLM is a stateless. It does not remember means to whom we are asking. So each and every time when we have to need to communicate to LLMs, we have to be provide the all history that we have done along with our question. So means, let me tell you how LLM remember. Okay. So when I write the first question, let me explain you means how we have to be implement this. Okay. Okay. Now, my name is Devesh. Okay. Now we get some response. Okay. Now, as I said, in the first question means I asked my name is Devesh and means nice to meet you, Devesh. Okay. When I ask the next question, so whatever the question it is and whatever the response it is, we have to be means attach both of these things with the new question. Okay. And then we will be getting a response. Means okay, from the context we are sending, from there it will understand, okay, this was the past history. It is coming along with the input body, and then it will try to figure out the answer from there. Okay. What is my name? He don't know. So now how he don't know. Okay. Now how we have to be make it? Means for each and every time, whatever the conversation will be going on, means we have to be club it together along with the body and need to send it. Okay. And then we'll see the response. Okay. I already done with the demonstration. Let me open that and then let me explain you. Okay. User. Uh, my name is Devesh. Sorry. Let me ask. Can you write one line for India? So now, Miss, I ask this question. I get India is the land of vibrant, something like that. Okay. Now, how many states are there? Now, when I make the enter, I will keep these things, and these things. Now, input will be these three lines. Okay, when I make an enter, it will use these three lines and will try to understand means what is the context. That's why I am saying these are the reasoning models. It understand what we are saying. It try to find means okay, he's asking about India. How it understand? Because these are the reasoning models. Okay, how many states are there? What happened? India has 28 states and 8 union territories. So how it remember means whatever we are getting here. Okay. Now states are 28. Okay. Uh, how many? Okay. Out of these states, tell me how many in how many in north. So each and every time when I'm asking a question, it will, you can say, use these things and append to the body and then sending to the LLM and we are getting the response. This is the only theory. So each and every time in the chatbot also means each and every time means it makes the conversion ID, it makes, you can say this conversion ID, something like that. Okay. It whatever the history we have, we are just doing the browsing. It keeps somewhere using this conversion ID and means sends along with, you can say, the input body and means LLM can understand, okay, this was the context that he was asking about it. Okay. Let's understand how we have implemented that. Okay. Yeah. installed OpenAI. That is fine. Okay, we have to be installed the OpenAI. We are done with that. API key. Need to create a chat client. Okay, so this is the library. This is the class which comes with OpenAI. We have to be pass the model and the API key. It is a chat client. Now we have a class chat messages. So as I said, each and every time I need to append the last question and the responses. Okay, so I created a list of messages. Okay, this is the system instruction messages dot add chat message dot create system message. You are a helpful assistant. I mean, just asking, providing information to LLM that who you are. Okay, so that instruction we provided. Okay, now each and every time. So think about it. This is the message, and I am appending the instruction. Now, second time, console.readline is user input. I am asking, tell me about India. Okay, now question goes here. It appends to here. Message.add the user message. Okay, because I am asking. Okay, and this is the system message. And this is the user message, means because I am asking. Okay. Now, what I am doing using this client, I am making this API call, the chat, complete chat async, the message I am passing. So each, suppose it contains the 10 messages, means all those 10 messages are going to here. Okay, this chat completion class is, you can say, is class coming with the OpenAI, okay, to make the API calls. We are getting the content, the completion, content, zero, and then text. Okay, we are just parsing the text means from the long JSON file. Okay, means this is the point, and we are means printing here. Now, whatever the response we are getting, we are again adding into the message. Again adding into the message. So in this case, what will happen? Suppose we are just going to chat, yeah, this one, content and then text. Okay, content and the text. Completion, chat completion, chat completion, and then content and then text. Okay, completion is an output object. Okay, so here we are getting, so each and every time, so we are just, you can say, talking about to LLM means from you can say 100 conversation or 500 conversation or 1000 conversation. So each and every time we are appending the messages and just LLM know about it, the history. It's very straightforward. This is the chatbot. We are done with that. Now, if you have any question, then you can ask.
So in this case, how token means yeah, token will be charged.
Charge
So each and every time.
so whatever the things we are going to append it means it will be considered as an input token. Okay, and then we will be charging based on that. Suppose we
But
have the long conversation done with 1 hour. We are just chatting, chatting, chatting. So each and every response we are getting, and each and every question we are getting, it is just, you can say, get appended to here. I mean, then we will be getting, can say, if we keep going to conversion over a long time, okay, then it will be, you can say, billing will be uh, increasing, you can say, very fast. Okay.
okay, okay. So in this case, let's see, we each and every time we are taking a previous means history to
Right.
history
Right.
detail, right? So
Ah,
that time also, whenever we are sending the token, so previous history token also consider each and every time,
right.
or
Right. Right. No, no, previous, not previous history, but whatever the tokens or the input we have means it will be means for each and every request. Okay. So suppose we have 10, make 10 API calls. Okay. Then means you can say we will be getting the charge for 10 API calls, whatever the inputs we have, whatever the outputs we have. Got it?
okay, yeah, yes, yes, okay, thank you.
So these are the basic details for the chatbot. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Yeah. So whenever you type the message, so every time that message, it will be that token. It will be stored in our session in local storage. Like,
Mm, so this is a chatbot. Okay. Means here I use the console application. Means when you are using the web application, means there will be the local storage, there will be the different concept.
so it's like any kind of cache.
Yeah, yeah, everything means we can implement it. Okay. everything means when we are going to, you can say the enterprise based application means every concept means we can be apply it. Okay, it depends means what is the use case. Means right now means I just created for the demonstration, it is a backend application only.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a console. Yeah.
Okay. So let's